Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to you all, 2021. I've actually, you can see by the sort of the mess that I have around here, I've been working on several projects for future videos. But one thing that I keep on getting asked about is my toolkit, and specifically this little gem, because once you do that, you can do that. So I've actually been looking for it. I bought this locally and I've not been able to find it online, so I've not been able to advise you guys where to buy it. So as I said, I've been looking around for it and I actually found a set on Amazon. So I thought, what a great time to show you all it. And here it is. Oh, there goes the camera. 15 in 1 toolkit. Okay, and I believe this is for a mobile phone. In fact, I know it is for a mobile phone. And the reason I say that is because you have all of these things for prying the mobile phones apart. But it has two of my most used tools in it. One is this one, and as you can see, they're quite similar, are they not? Just make sure it's in focus. And the second one that I use a lot is this one. That's my one from before, and this one. I use it for getting the screws out and stuff like that, very important. But what's great with this one versus this one is after a period of time where I was tightening this up all the time, this started, I mean you can see, let's tighten it up. You can see it sliding back and forth, where this one is a lock system, which is a lot better. And what it also has in here is and as you can see, it is turning. I'll come up a little bit closer so you can see it. Really, focus not going to work today. There we go. Which is pretty handy actually, getting in those very tight places. And I mean, you've got this sucking on the phone cover. I mean, these, the other day, I can't remember what I was working on, but something I needed one of these to pry two plastic bits apart. So, they could be useful. Don't know what this one's for. Ow, I see. This one will be for just putting in a normal drill that I have downstairs, so I can't show you. That goes in the normal drill, and then you can use your little drill bits there. Again, very handy. So, let me show you all of the lovely bits that come with it. Oh, 96, I think. I mean, you got all of these things. You use those for what you wish. I know I'm going to use them because I use them for everything. Let me bring this up to show you all, so you can all see what is there. There's not a lot more that you would need for an RC car, I will be honest with you. There is loads and loads and loads and loads. 5.5. Yeah, 5.5. So there you go. It's not a very long video today because it is just to show you this piece of kit. That's what was missing. This side, these bits were not here. There was something else there, and I've been trying to rack my brains onto what it was, and it was the magnetizer. Where is the magnetizer? Oh, I may have taken that downstairs actually because I wanted to see if it would work on my big drill. That's the magnetizer where you can put it over your drill bit and make it magnetic, or do it on the demagnetizer to make it non-magnetic. There's one of those in there as well, so that's what's missing from there. So, I mean, my only thing that I would say that I do not like about it is the boxes are a bit cheap. I mean, look. But once these bits are out, I'm just going to have it like that anyway, because, I'm using the tools quite frequently. This, let's have a look. Oh yes, look, it's very easy. I was wondering if these would work very well because these are a bit too pointy for my liking. If you look, these are a lot rounded, but they work very well indeed. I've just cleaned all of these up for another project, so I'll put those back. Now, the only other tool that I use a huge amount is these things here, the long nose pliers, bent. I think it's actually called bent long nose pliers. Anyway, maybe curved, but get yourselves a set of these. I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the description below. The link for this will be in the description below as well. These are Amazon, so I believe you'll be able to get them in any Amazon around the world. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you a fantastic New Year's Day today, and take care of yourselves. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel as well, and hit that notification bell so you're told when we get new videos out. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.